A very good morning students. Welcome back to our maths class. In today's class, we'll be completing chapter number 9 decimals. In today's class, we'll be doing the problems based on your last exercise given in the book. That is your exercise 9H. Rounding of decimals. Rounding off, we have studied earlier also how to do rounding off. Now how to do the rounding off of decimals. 57.8. You have to round off this decimal. Here I have drawn a number line. Here on this number line you can see that 57.8 it is closer to 58 as compared to 57. This 57.8 it is far from 57 but it is closer to 58. So I could round off 57.8 as 58. Next we have to round off 42.3. Now see, here is 42.3. This 42.3 it is nearer to 42 but it is far from 43. So we could write 42.3 as 42. Next is 68.5. Now 68.5 it is in between both the number. So 68.5 when we round off, we could write it as 69. Now next, let us round off to 2 decimal places. Rounding off to the 2 decimal places. Rounding off to 2 decimal places. We have to round off to the 2 decimal places. Let me write a number. Here is our number, that is 4.62 and 5. We have to round off this to the 2 decimal places. So which number is there at the 2 decimal places? 2. 2 is there at the 2 decimal places. So this is the rounding off place. What is 2? This is the rounding off place. Now what we have to see? We have to see the digit to the right. Digit to the right it is 5. The digit to the right it is 5. So if the number it is 5 or greater than 5, then what we have to do? We have to add 1 here. So when we round off this, we will be getting 4.63. This will be our final answer. So let us revise how we have done this. In the question it is asked rounding off to the 2 decimal places. This is the digit which is given to you. So first, in the first step, we have to identify the place we want to round off. This is the place we want to round off because it is asked 2 decimal place. So 1 and 2. This one it is the 2 decimal place. We have to round off this place. Now in the second step, examine the digit to the right of the rounding place digit. What is the digit at the right of the rounding place digit? It is 5. So, in the third step, if that digit it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the rounding place digit. We had add 1 to this rounding place digit. Now let us take the same example. We have to round off to the 2 decimal places only. Let me write the same number only, that is 6. 2. Here I have written 1. We have to round off to the 2 decimal places. This is the 2 decimal places. The number which is there at the right it is 1. Now 1 it is smaller than 5. So how do we round off this number? If that digit it is less than 5, then let the rounding place digit remain as such. Now this rounding place digit, it will remain as such. That is, it will remain 4.62. So 4.62, it will be our final answer. Now let us round off to nearest 10. Rounding off to nearest, we are rounding off to nearest tenths. We are rounding off to the nearest tenths. So before beginning the rounding off to the nearest tenth, let us revise, let us recall this. Like I have written a digit 7, 9, 8, 3. Now this digit, it is the 10th place, this is the 10th, this is 100, 1000, like this. In decimal, we used to refer this place value like this. Now let us do the rounding off to the nearest 10th. Let me write a number, that is 19.83. This is 19.83. We have to round off to the nearest 10th. Now to round off to the nearest 10th, we examine the digit to the right of the digit at the 10th place, that is the 100th place. So first of all, what is the digit at the 10th place? This 8. 8 it is there at the 10th place. So we will examine the digit which is next to this. What is this place value? Hundreds. Now this 3, it is smaller than 5. So we will be writing this as 19.8. Let us take some more example. This was the first example. Let us take the second one. We have to round off the digit 74.328. So here, what is the digit at the 10th place? This 3. After the 10th place, 2 is there. So as 2, it is smaller than 5. So we will round off this as 74.3. Now let us round off the given digit to nearest 100th. Now we are rounding off to the nearest 100th. Let me write a digit, that is 23.594. We are rounding off this digit to the nearest 100. Now to round off to the nearest 100, we examine the digit to the right of the digit at the 100th place, that is the 1000th place. Now which place is this? This is 10th. This is 100th. And this is the thousands. Now in the question we have to round off to the nearest 100, that is this. What is the digit next to it? It is 4. So 4, it is smaller than 5. This is smaller than 5. So we will be writing this as 23.59. Let us take one more example. 24.578. We have to round off this digit to the nearest 100. This is the 100th place. The digit right to it is 8. Now 8, it is greater than 5. So when we round off this digit, it will become 24.5. When the digit it is greater than 5 or it is 5, we have to add 1 to the rounding off value, that is 7. Rounding off place, we will be adding 1. So it will become 24.58. Now let us do some more questions. Find 7/4. Find 7/4 to the nearest. We have to find 7/4 to the nearest tens. 7/4, we have to find this number to the nearest 10. What does it mean? 7/4. It means, let us do the solution. 7/4, it means 7 divided by 4. So let us divide 7 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 3. Now, as 3 it is smaller than 4. So what we'll be doing? We'll be putting a 0. We can put as many as 0. So here it comes 0. Now 4 9s are 36. So 36, it is greater than 30. So we'll be taking 4 7s are 28. Subtract this, we'll be getting 2. We can put one more 0 here. The 0 will be carrying down. Now 4 5s are 20. So here we have put 2 decimal, 2 zeros are there. We have put 2 0 here. In our dividend we have put 2 0. So after 2 digit we will be putting a decimal, that is 1.74. Now we have to find 7/4 to the nearest tens. So here you can see it is 7 5 to the nearest tenth. So this is the digit at the 10th place, and to its right 5 is there. So this, if the digit it is 5 or greater than 5, we have to add 1 to the rounding place value. So it will become 1.8. Our final answer will be 1.8. Now let us do some more questions. Here in the question it is given 5.798. You have to multiply it with the 0.8, and then we have to correct to 3 decimal. Correct it to 3 decimal place. So first what we'll be doing? We will be multiplying this, that is 5.798. We could multiply it as we do the normal multiplication. Now here you can see the decimal, it is after 1 2 3. 3 digits are there, so we could write 3 decimal place, and here it is 1 decimal place. The decimal, it is 1 decimal place because 1 digit is there after the decimal. Here after the decimal 3 digits are there. Now let us do the multiplication. 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. 8 8s are 64. 4 and 6, it moves to the carry. Now 8 multiplied by 9 is equal to 72. 72 plus 6 is 78. 8 I will be writing here. 7 will move to the carry. Now 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56, and 56 plus 7 is equal to 63. 3 and 6, it moves to the carry. 8 5s are 40, and 40 plus 6 is 46. Now we have to put the decimal, so we will be putting the decimal after 4 digit. 3 plus 1 is 4, so we will be putting the decimal after 4 digit. 1 2 3 4. That is 4.6384. Now we have to correct it to the 3 decimal places. We have to correct this to the 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. This one. Now you can see here at the third place what is there? 8 is there. Now this 8, it is greater than 5. So 4.639. This will be our final answer. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.